Hi and welcome to the channel. I'm Sam and this is the Crafty Blinder van build. Today's video we're pushing on, we're rebuilding the front end of the van, get some of them little jobs done and get it tidied up. Morning, welcome back to the channel. Look at this. Blue skies. So today we're going to make the most of this. We've actually got a few jobs to do on the front of the van. One of them is to dye the bumper. Something I've wanted to do for a while because I'm disappointed with how it looks. That'll go out on a video of its own. We've also got a nudge bar to go on the front of the van, a bull bar, whatever you want to call it. We call it a bull bar up here, but I know a lot of people call them nudge bars, so we'll call it nudge bars for this video. Excuse me. Also, we've got some cables to run today, and there for the spotlights I've made some looms up. Actually bought looms, and I've just played around with them a little bit and modified them and labelled them up for different lights that I'm going to put on the van. So we'll get cracked on, we'll get them installed and see how we do. But this is cracking, look at that. Still cold, mind, still cold. Blue skies, blue skies. Summer's coming. So we've had another delivery. Let's get out. Pop it on here. Couple of bolts loose in the front end there, so we better check, make sure that we've got everything. Get some snips. So I bought a bull bar or a nudge bar, a front guard. There's lots of different names for them, but where I live, we call them bull bars. Okay. So we've got a bag full of pieces. So we have 2 powder coated brackets. Some instructions. Another powder coated bracket. Oh, it's like a big envelope. This is very well packaged. Sliding around in my hand. I'll put that on the floor for now. There's our light bar. There is our nudge bar. Let's lay everything out. It's pretty good quality, it's light enough. There's a couple of marks on the front there. Give that a rub with a bit of polish, see if it comes out, but in all honesty, there's a couple of marks on the powder coating. Anyway, it is what it is. I'm not going to cry over it. And this is what I do. I set everything out just to make sure it's all there. So I guess there's meant to be 2 of everything. So what we'll do straight away, we will set these up. That looks to be 2 of them, 2 of them. 1, 2. these, 1, 2. And then we have 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2. 2. We only have 6 of them. Let's see what it says in here. So this says it's for a Mercedes Sprinter 14 onwards. So as you know, Crafter parts and Sprinter parts are just about universal. So nothing to worry about there. So we want 8 of these. We've actually got 12 of them. 6 of these, which is correct. 2 of these, which is correct. And 2 of these. 2 bars, and obviously the front bar. This all looks pretty straightforward. Good clear instructions. Good clear details. I need to put my glasses on. I can see majority of it, but I can't see the detail. Okay. So you have a bolt there at the front with a retainer. On the chassis leg. So that's this bolt. That goes up, the clip goes over it, it hangs down. Right, got that. That's it there, see? Then you bolt it up. Obviously that sits around your bumper and it comes up. That's pretty straightforward, isn't it? There mount on the end. Half-hour job there. Half-hour job. All we do, we've got this bracket, the odd shaped one, that is to go in, pointing forward, and slide it back. And all you do is this piece here just pushes up. That holds that in place for you. Same on the other side. Just offer up the bracket. Let's just give it a nip for now. That's it. Got it too far one way. We'll just nip it at that. We can come back and adjust it later. And I'll put it going. Right. Again, we'll just give it a nip up. So the bracket, this side of it goes to the outside. It's notched out here to get round the bumper, so that gives you a bit of a guide as well. So what we'll do is, there's a little bit of wiggle in it. We'll put the front brackets on and then we'll see how we go. So now this goes on the outside. Just put them together loose again. Well, follow the instructions. It seems to be out. Okay. So in the ends of the nudge bar, we've got holes for the bolts to go in. So what we'll do is put one end on, offer it up, and then I'll do the next one. What I'll do is give it a nip up, so it looks. Let's hold that there. This is my yoga position. This is, I call it the weeing dog. Obviously I needed an extra arm and I didn't have one, but I had a leg. Thinking about it now, I should have propped the front end, just propped the nudge bar while I tried to line everything up and set everything up. However, I soldiered on. It wasn't too heavy, it wasn't that hard to line up, it just took a little bit of time. It's then just a quick check to see how things are lining up and then carry on. It's all showing it. So that's it on. You may tell by the tone of my voice, I'm a bit disappointed with how flimsy it is. Not very strong, is it? Maybe once a couple of brackets out there, I don't know. It'll do for what it is. What I'll do is, it's on. See what it looks like. Wow. Half an hour and we have a nudge bar on. Well, it's all come together today. It's been a really productive day. We did the Forever Black on the bumper. Really impressed with that. We've mounted the nudge bar and we've also put the wiring looms in. So like I say, very productive day. Didn't expect what we had today. It was a really, really sunny day. We've had 2 weeks of storms and we were forecast storm today and it just never materialised. So I think it's coming now. The temperature's dropped dramatically. It's got really cold. Well, it does at night, but before it got cold the temperature just dropped right down. So I'm really chuffed with what I've got done today. I'm really pleased. And I love how it looks. I really do love how it looks. You know, I'm impressed. And we did that as well. We forever blacked that. So now the looms are in. I'm going to put the headlights back in. That was the only reason I'd stopped previously putting them back in, because the loom comes down the side there and I just wanted access to it. We've got the camera back in. Now the cables are going to run along the bottom for the spot lamps and we'll just jump in and out when we do the spot lamps. Been a busy day today. Done loads on the front end, tied it up. But yeah, it's starting to take shape now. We've got some spot lamps to go on that front end. And what else we've got to do? I've gone completely blank. So I'm going to finish up for the day. I'm tired now. I think we'll put the number plate back on and call it a night. See you later. Thanks for watching to the end. Without you guys, this channel will be dead in the water. Remember, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram at The Crafty Blinders. If you like what we're doing, please remember to subscribe, like and share with your friends. Until next time, take care and we'll see you again.